Ladies and gentlemen, today I invite you to embark on a journey through one of the most astonishing archaeological sites in the world, Petra, the Rose City of Jordan. Nestled amidst the rugged mountains and desert landscapes of southern Jordan, Petra has captivated explorers, historians, and travelers for centuries with its breathtaking architecture, rich history, and mysterious allure. Over the next nearly 3 hours, we will delve deeply into the many facets that make Petra a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Let us begin by exploring the origins of Petra. The city's history dates back to the 6th century BCE, when it was established by the Nabatean people, an ancient Arab tribe renowned for their trading acumen. These nomadic traders, adept at navigating the desert landscape, transformed Petra into a thriving hub of commerce, facilitating trade routes that connected Arabia, Egypt, the Levant, and beyond. The Nabateans carved elaborate tombs and structures out of the rose-colored sandstone cliffs, creating a city that was both functional and architecturally sophisticated. As we examine the city's early development, we recognize how the Nabateans mastered the art of water management in an arid environment. They engineered complex systems of dams, cisterns, and channels to collect and store water, ensuring the city's survival during long droughts. This ingenuity allowed Petra to flourish as a trading nexus, attracting merchants and travelers from across the ancient world. Their control over vital trade routes rendered Petra economically prosperous and strategically significant. Moving forward in time, Petra reached its zenith during the 1st century CE, under the influence of Roman expansion. Although the city was incorporated into the Roman Empire, it retained a distinct Nabatean character. Roman architectural influences became evident in some structures, temples, and public buildings, yet the core of the city remained a testament to Nabatean ingenuity. The integration of Hellenistic and Roman styles with native traditions created a unique fusion that characterizes Petra's archaeological landscape. Central to Petra's allure are its monumental facades carved directly into the sandstone cliffs. Among these, the most iconic is Al-Khazna, known as the Treasury. This elaborate facade, standing over 40 meters high, showcases intricate Hellenistic architecture with Corinthian columns, mythological figures, and ornate sculptures. Originally, it is believed to have served as a mausoleum or a temple. Its remarkable preservation and grandeur have made it a symbol of Petra and a favorite among visitors and filmmakers alike, notably featured in the film Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade. Beyond the treasury, Petra boasts a vast array of tombs, temples, theaters, and dwellings that spread across an extensive archaeological complex. The royal tombs, including the urn tomb and the silk tomb, exhibit elaborate facades and interior chambers that reveal the funerary practices and social hierarchy of the Nabatean elite. The Great Temple, with its massive courtyards and columns, indicates Petra's importance as a religious and administrative center. The city's street layout reflects a sophisticated urban planning system. The main thoroughfare, known as the Sick, is a narrow, winding canyon over a kilometer long that serves as the primary entrance to Petra. As visitors traverse this natural fissure, they are greeted by towering cliffs and eventually emerge into the open cityscape. The 6 towering walls, some reaching heights of over 80 meters, are adorned with carvings and inscriptions, offering insights into the Nabatean culture and their interactions with neighboring civilizations. Once inside, visitors encounter a sprawling network of streets, plazas, and structures. The Cardo Maximus, a main street lined with columns, connected different parts of the city. Residential areas, public baths, and marketplaces reveal the daily life of Petra's inhabitants. The city was designed to accommodate a population that fluctuated over centuries, from merchants and artisans to religious officials and administrators. Religiously, Petra was a melting pot of beliefs and deities. Temples dedicated to gods such as Dashera and Alaza reflect Nabatean spirituality. The dedication of certain temples to these deities highlights their importance in local worship and political authority. The religious architecture often incorporated both Nabatean motifs and Hellenistic influences, illustrating cultural syncretism. Cultural exchanges played a significant role in shaping Petra's development. Its position along major trade routes facilitated contact with the Greeks, Romans, Egyptians, Persians, and Arabs. Evidence of this interaction is visible in inscriptions, artifacts, and architectural styles. For example, Greek inscriptions found within the city demonstrate the influence of Hellenistic culture, while Egyptian-style artifacts point to Egypt's trade and diplomatic relations with the Nabateans. The decline of Petra began around the 2nd century CE, following changes in trade routes and the rise of new economic centers. The city was gradually abandoned, and desertification, earthquakes, and changing political circumstances contributed to its decline. By the 7th century CE, Petra was largely forgotten by the outside world, remaining hidden beneath centuries of sand and silence until its rediscovery by Swiss explorer Johann Ludwig Burckhardt in 1812. The modern rediscovery of Petra sparked renewed interest in archaeological excavations that continue to this day. These excavations have uncovered numerous structures, inscriptions, and artifacts, providing invaluable insights into the life and culture of the Nabateans. Conservation efforts are ongoing to preserve this fragile site amidst the pressures of tourism and environmental factors. Today, Petra is a symbol of Jordan's rich history and cultural heritage. It attracts hundreds of thousands of visitors annually, contributing significantly to Jordan's tourism industry. The site is managed by the Petra Archaeological Park Authority, which implements measures to balance tourism with preservation. Visitors are encouraged to explore not only the famous monuments but also lesser-known areas, such as the High Place of Sacrifice, the Colonnaded Street, and the Byzantine Church, each offering a deeper understanding of Petra's complex history.